Hello?
Muted. Unmuted.
Hello?
Muted. Unmuted.
Yeah.
Venkat, wait for some time. I'm talking to Ramesh only. You are getting audio. I mean,
Hello?
Ramesh, hello. Okay, you can hear. I can hear you. Okay, okay. I can't hear you, but you can hear me, right? Okay, fine. I think. Hello, Ramesh.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you can't hear me. You can hear me or not through go to meeting. Okay, but I can't hear your voice. Okay, what I can do, maybe it is a issue with your mic. Okay. Okay, when you are connecting with your laptop, I can able to hear you. I think so. But we'll see the tomorrow also, so we can connect again tomorrow also. Today, just a quick give you idea what are the topics we are going to cover in this training. Okay, fine. And also you can see. Hello, Winbartunda Ramesh. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. 1 second.
Your voice is low, but yeah, okay, at least I can hear you. Yeah, what I am trying to show you today, so the topics what we are going to cover that I am going to discuss today. Okay, so that will give you idea the topics wise how we are going to proceed further training, further sessions. Okay, and the meeting link, so we'll share it every day, so you can join the meeting link. Maybe sometimes the same meeting link and sometimes it may change. Okay, and this session is recording. We'll record the session and we'll share with you later. Okay, and this is for you purposefully for you only. You should not share with anyone. Okay, that is the one terms and condition. Okay. Okay. So before that, so I just give quick idea about myself. Myself, Madhukar Reddy. I have 11 plus years of experience in business objects. Currently, I'm working as a business object architect in Bangalore location. I certified in BO, Oracle, Cognos. I work with the different versions of the business objects, from old version 6.5 to the latest version of the BO 4.1 and 4.2. Okay. So yeah, so the 4.2 is recently released. I mean, so but still like it is in the development phase only. So currently most of the projects is running on the BO 4.1. Okay, and so in this training, so as my experience, I work with the different sources. So the same part I'm going to explain designing the universe and developing reports on top of the BW sources, and create a universes and implement a different reports using the ANA sources. And also we'll discuss the Oracle, Teradata and SQL Server as well, like which is non-SAP sources, how we can develop reports on top of the non-SAP sources. So in our server, we have a SQL Server database, so which we are going to connect to the SQL Server database. And you know, like if you know the SQL Server database and design universe, it is similar to designing our connectivity between Oracle and Teradata. Is the same. There is no much difference. Okay, so that I am trying to cover in this training, BW, HANA, and one is the SQL Server and Microsoft Access DB. How we can develop a report by connecting to the Microsoft Access DB SQL Server. Okay, and in this training, I'm going to explain one sales domain relevant project, which is end-to-end implementation. But as a BO developer, so it is not mandatory that you should have the domain knowledge. Like as a BO technical person, you should just understand the table structure and how the data is available in the different table. So that idea is enough to work as a BO technical or BO developer. Okay, and coming to the topics which I am going to cover in this training is, if you look at here, so overview of the reporting tool, what is the reporting, what is the purpose of the reporting, this you must already aware of that, and what is a BA Launchpad, and how to log into the BA Launchpad to access the reports, and what is a web intelligence report, how to develop a simple and complex reports. Okay, that I'm going to cover. It's not like just giving the basic concept. So you will get in-depth knowledge of the web intelligence reporting tool, which we frequently use this tool most of the project. Okay, and the rich client tool also I'll discuss, and designing the universe with the IDT and UDT. So with the different sources, BW, HANA, and SQL Server database. Okay, how we can create a universe. How we can create a universe and on top of the SAP BW HANA that I'm going to cover. And lifecycle management is nothing but now it's called the promotion management tool. So how to promote the reports like one environment to the other environment, like a development system to the quality system to the production. Okay, and what is the process we follow while we move the reports one environment to the other environment, that all we are going to cover. And also upgrade management tool. So how to upgrade the 3.1 reports to the 4.1. So we are going to discuss one of the project migration as well, and also converting the DESKI reports to the web intelligence and administration part. I'm going to cover like how to create a users, how to configure the BO setup, like how to install the BO, and what are the list of the servers should up and running. Okay, and that all I'm going to cover, and also the security part. So how to create a users and how to provide the access to the particular reports to the particular user, that I'm going to cover. And also I will give you the overview of the dashboard tool, Crystal reporting tool, Design Studio, Lumira. Okay, so these are the newly introduced. These tools are newly introduced. So how these tools work? Like I will give you the overview of these tools, like a dashboard, Crystal report, Design Studio, Lumira. Okay, and also so publication and report scheduling. How we can. Ramesh, so I can't hear you. Maybe if you have any question, you can type your question in the chat window. You have a chat window. In the GoToMeeting, there is chat option. You can just type your question. Your voice is very low, so I can't hear you properly. Okay. And also we can discuss the differences between the different versions of the BO. And after the completion of the training, maybe this is not for you. This is for regular training people I do. And the certification exam preparation. So once you complete the training, or maybe in the middle of the training also, you can enroll the WebE certification and you can go for that. I will share some material and documentation. After you like going through the document and practice well, if you're confident, then you can book your certification in any of the Promatic center, so you can pass easily. Okay. So that's about the topics which I'm going to cover. I can tell you, so you will get in-depth knowledge of the web intelligence, information designer tool, and universe designer tool. Okay, and the administration part, how the application users access. And also we are, apart from that, we are going to cover other tools as well, which I will give you give the idea how the other tools works. Okay. But like if you complete the dashboard itself, it will take longer time. It's almost 16-17 hours it will take to complete it, even not complete. So get a more idea about the design dashboard session itself, it will take a lot of time. But yeah, So after the training, you will get idea how this tool works. Okay. Based on that, so with that knowledge, you can like brush up a few things, and because anyway, that all concept we are going to discuss in a Webby. Okay, the same concept will be there in the dashboard also. Okay. Okay, but where we have to click and how we can navigate that path, that I'm going to explain. Okay. So these are the list of the topics I'm going to cover in this training. Okay. And like so you need not to install anything in your machine. So I'm going to share the material and also server access. The duration of the training is approximately 30 hours of the session, and you will get the server access of 60 days. Okay. Okay. So you need not to install anything. Like you can directly access the remote server. How we can do that? So go to the remote desktop connection. How we are working in a project at similar way. So here also you are going to connect to the server. You can connect it from everywhere. Okay. Maybe if there are any firewall settings restricted in your company, maybe you may not access that. Okay. So once you connected to this server, now all the components is available in our system. You are able to hear me, Ramesh? I'm just to try to show you the BO components over here. Ramesh, are you able to hear me? Looks like you are. Hello?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. Looks like your name is showing offline.
Hello.
Hello? Ramesh, it's okay. Okay, you are able to hear me right there?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, now you can see here, so all the BO components are already installed. So which we are using these components. So we are going to try to implement different reports, dashboards, and Lumira crystal reports. Okay. And also we have SAP ANA connectivity, SAP BW connectivity, and also one database we have with the SQL Server. Okay. So we have a SQL Server database also, which contains the huge tables and volume of the data. But I'm going to, we'll discuss the design, SQL Server also. All the sales information is available in my Microsoft Access DB. So I'm going to use the Microsoft Access tables to design universes and reports that will give you the real-time project idea. Okay. And the material, so I'm going to share with you. Okay, all the material I'm going to share with you. Which is individual material, like maybe some of the document prepared by myself, and some of the document which I get it from the SAP portal. That all document I'll share with you. Okay. Coming to the certification, I'll prefer you go for CBOWI 41. Okay, this is the Webby certification, the code of the Webby certification. Okay, you can go for the certification after the training completed. Okay, because like we have administration certification, we have a design studio certification, Lumira. So individual modules wise we have a certification, but initially I prefer go for a Webby certification after the training completed. Okay. And so I do some assignment also. I'll provide some assignment documents also, so that you can go through the assignment. And the middle in the sessions also, I do some assignments. I'll give you some assignment. So whenever you get a free time, you can just try to do that. Try to do that activity. Okay. So that's it. And so as I said, like we can have a session, so whatever your available time. So as you said, like you are flexible. So whenever we have a free time, so together we can have a session, maybe including the weekends also, if you are available in weekends. So that way we can complete as soon as possible. And you can always reach me for any clarification. I'm always available on phone. Okay. So any questions? You have any questions? Okay. So you have a GoToMeeting, in a GoToMeeting window, you can see that option, okay? In the chat window, you can always chat with me. So that's it today. So I'll get in touch with you later.